up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, asante sana for joining us, and please remember to subscribe. If it's your second time or third time, thank you so much for the love that you've shown. Today I want to talk to you about how you can motivate yourself as a first-time entrepreneur in your first years of business. And these are things I tried to do last year, and I'm still gonna do them because they've worked for me in the past. Cool? So we're gonna go straight into it. I have my YouTube book as usual, and there are only a few points, so I hope you get to learn from it. When you're in your business and you want to motivate yourself, the first thing you need to do is stay with like-minded people who are doing the same thing as you, or maybe they're also in business and they have the same goals as you. Something else that I need to add on this point is that you can join either a group, maybe an entrepreneurship group that is happening somewhere. You can even check online on YouTube. You can subscribe to different people who are doing the same thing as you on YouTube. Another way of staying motivated as a first-time entrepreneur is to build your own group. If you can start a group of young entrepreneurs where you get to meet and then share different ideas and just build each other. Point number 2 on how you're gonna stay motivated is that you need to read books. Yes, you need to read motivational books, things that are in line with what you're doing. Again, you can even listen to motivational talks, different speech from different people, and this you can be doing in the morning. That is something I used to do last year and I'm still doing. Just listening to a motivational speech in the morning when I wake up, when I'm dressing up, or maybe when I'm working out. Start your day with a positive energy. Just listen to something motivational just to encourage you to go by. You understand? And then you can also attend seminars where these speakers go and talk to people about different things. Yes. The third way of staying motivated as an entrepreneur is to pray and trust God. Yes. Spend a lot of time on your knees. I think last year I spent a lot of time on my knees, especially in February and then from August towards the end of the year. That I'll talk to you guys about in another video. Yes, so please stay here. The fourth way of staying motivated is just try and revisit your work, the work you've done in the past for different clients. For example, let me use even my YouTube channel. There are days last year that I felt like not shooting any video, but there are times I could just go back to the video that I did in the past and I just felt nice. Even the things that I talked to you guys about, that when I watch again, it encourages me and I'm like, I'm the one who said that, I'm the one who did that, so I better get into it. Even when it comes to fitness, I share videos of fitness, and sometimes when I wake up and I don't feel like working out, I'll be like, okay, I just need to work out, because you know what, I'm the one who did that in the past. So it will just, you motivate yourself with the work that you've done in the past. You look at a certain job that you did for a client and they were so happy, and when you look at that video you're like, oh wow, is that me who actually did this job? So look at the things you've done in the past and it will just encourage you, and you'll even feel better doing the work that you're doing. The fifth point is to celebrate every step of your journey. Even the small wins really matter. So just celebrate. When I got to 100 subs, I was happy and I celebrated. When I got to 200 subs, I got to 300 subs, I got to 400 subs, and the journey continues. Like, celebrate every step. The first client that I got without referral, I seriously celebrated. Like, I called my accountant. We were like, okay, let's toast to this. Like, it was just nice, you know. Celebrate every small step and every small win. The sixth thing that you need to do to stay motivated is to learn how to love what you're doing. Because when you learn how to love what you're doing, you'll be so motivated to do it. It's just like, let me use practical example. You're in love with someone. You're supposed to meet them. You will be so motivated. You'll be looking forward to that particular day to go and meet this particular person. That kind of love is the love that you need to have in whatever you're doing and whatever services you're offering to your clients. The passion, the drive, you know. Just learn how to do it and you'll always be motivated to do it. My last point on this, on how to stay motivated, is to stop comparing yourself with other people. Enjoy your process and learn from it. If you want to compare yourself with other people, just look at the good things that you can pick, the good things, like what is it that they are doing that is different, that you can borrow and use in your company. Look at the positive side when you're comparing yourself. Don't beat yourself up because they have like 1,000 subscribers. You only have like 2 subscribers on your channel. You don't know how they got there, and you don't know where the shoe hurts from their side. So just stop comparing and you will stay motivated. Cool, guys. So that is my last point actually. if you're a business person out there or an entrepreneur and there's something that you do to stay motivated, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below so that we can learn and just build each other. And if you like this particular video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe, and please remember to share with your friends so that they can also learn these things. And until next time, guys, kisses.